Riteish, Deshmukh, and wasn't the Deshmukh clan and all of the Mumbai Heroes delighted taking the big wicket. Short, cut away, will go one bounce to the man at the point boundary. Either side, it would have been a 4. But it's great to see Shogato come out aggressive, because so far a lot of the Bengal Tiger batsmen have just looked to knock it around a bit, singles here, there and the other, except for Jishu and maybe the opening pair. But this is a different Bengal Tiger side. Rohan?
I think Shogato realizes that we need to get about 160. Not just because it's a good batting surface, and not just because the outfield is pretty quick and the boundaries are brought in. They're not as big as you would expect, but also because there'll be the dew factor when they bowl. So they've got to make sure they get about 20 extra runs to compensate for the dew factor.
Yeah, they haven't been the highest scoring side in the CCL season 2. 140, 135 is more their par. But currently, of course, they go along at 5.87. They're talking about 120. But I hope they can bring it up to at least 144, 8 and over hereafter. Didn't catch it from the middle of the bat. So we get only a single. You are right about the dew factor, Ron. We saw it yesterday for sure. Now, days tend to be different from each other. And there was such heavy dew yesterday, that's what they'll have to plan for. There is every possibility that the dew factor may not interfere as much today as it did yesterday. But if it does, it's going to be very tricky.
And that's why, to be honest, Charu, I was a little surprised as to why, after winning the toss, they elected to bat first. The logical thing would be to chase a target, because you know the team that's going to be bowling second will struggle with the ball. There'll be catches dropped because the ball will get wet, will get soapy. It'll be tough for the bowlers to grip the ball. It's a baffling decision for me, to say the least.
Full toss in the slot. Joy puts it away for another boundary. Not a good ball by Riteish to end the over. It got 49 for 2.
That's a good spell.
The wife's happy, so yeah, I suppose it's a good spell. But what commitment, having just gotten married. The Deshmukhs are here playing in the Celebrity Cricket League. Wow, and who would have imagined, but he knows the value, the worth of this match. We have been talking it up, saying that it's a virtual quarter-final. The team that wins should go through. In Mumbai's case, it will go through. But of course, in Bengal's case,